brand new vehicles, it may be recommended to have your oil changed once every 10,000 miles. Here at Byrider, we sell pre-owned vehicles, so we do recommend getting your oil changed once every 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever one comes first. Failure to change your oil as often as you should may result in buildup of sludge, which will reduce your fuel efficiency, will cause metal components to rub up against each other, which will cause wear and tear on the engine, or in even serious cases, could cause excess wear and tear on your oil pump, which will lead to a shorter engine life, which you certainly don't want. When filling your engine oil, you should always use the oil dipstick as a means of measurement. Do not eyeball it by any means. To top off your engine oil is to add new oil to the old oil that's already been circulating since your last oil change. The issue with this is that the oil that's already in your vehicle could already be contaminated. You should be checking your oil every other time you fill up your vehicle, and the level should not be decreasing significantly. Preventative maintenance is one of the things that keep your vehicle performing strong. Services like oil changes, tire rotation, and changing out your air filter are some of the many things that keep your vehicle in prime running condition. Neglecting maintenance increases the risk of unexpected breakdowns, leaving you stranded and inconvenienced. These breakdowns can be costly, and the repair bills can be high. While it seems a lot simpler and cheaper to skip your preventative maintenance, it can be detrimental to your vehicle in the long run.